Welcome to Bike Zone. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting comebacks in motorcycle history, the 2025 Yamaha RX 100. A legendary name revived with modern engineering, promising raw thrill with a fresh twist. Legacy returns. The RX 100 has always been an icon known for its lightweight frame, punchy performance, and unmatched street presence. In 2025, Yamaha brings back the legend with a design that respects its roots while upgrading everything from technology to refinement. Design and styling. The new RX 100 carries the classic retro shape but with modern touches. You get a sculpted fuel tank, round LED headlamp, premium indicators, and a slightly aggressive stance. Yamaha keeps the retro charm alive while adding sleek finishing and improved ergonomics. Engine and performance. Yamaha replaces the old two-stroke engine with a new 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled four-stroke engine, tuned for sharp acceleration and efficiency. It delivers impressive mid-range torque, offering a spirited ride perfect for city streets and weekend fun. The exhaust note is crafted to echo the spirit of the original RX. Features and technology. The 2025 model includes a digital analog meter, LED lighting, single-channel ABS, fuel injection, and smartphone connectivity through Yamaha's app. These upgrades ensure reliability, safety, and convenience without compromising the bike's classic soul. Ride and handling. Its lightweight chassis, refined suspension, and improved braking system make the RX 100 agile and confidence-inspiring. Whether weaving through traffic or cruising open roads, the bike offers a balanced, responsive riding experience. Price and final thoughts. Yamaha is expected to position the RX 100 competitively, making it an appealing choice for nostalgic riders and new enthusiasts alike. The 2025 model captures the legendary DNA while embracing modern demands.